Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Susie and today I am going to be unboxing Sony ZV-1. This video I go into unboxing the white color.
Oh, this is so pretty. Charger. Batteries. Let's see.
So I've been using the 8 months and I love them so much. Here the reason why I order it again. This is my first Sony ZV-1. I was doing garden video and there was also windy. It's knocked over my tripod and damaged my camera. Here, scratch on the side. I'm not sure. See that? And also, gotta be honest. See that? It chipped. Yeah. And I also see on the bottom. That's what one time knocked over from my tripod and not work. And I went back to Best Buy. The employee in there said that gonna cost around $300 to $400 to fix this camera. And I think quite not expensive to fix because the new camera is around $700 and $400 for fix. So his recommendation was to buy the new one, and yes, I did. I bought a new one. But I still keep the old one. I planning to go overseas next month, and I will bring this camera with me and see how it's cloth to fix overseas. Hopefully they can fix it and ship it. So this is gonna be 8 months review of Sony ZV-1 also. The thing that I just like about this camera is the screen on the sides. It's a little bit bother me, but it take little bit time to use to it. Like the flip screen on the side, sometimes I talk to camera, right? And suddenly I look on the side, like when I talk to camera like this, it seems like I not talk to camera, like it's up on the side, instead look straight like this. And also this one that bother me, because on this size I rather have all thing in here come this size, so that way when I put mic and then close down here, instead close all over in here. And most of Sony ZV-1, I like it. It's only two things that I just like it. But in my opinion, no camera perfect. So we're gonna find one that we complaining about. Oh, we're gonna find that one I complain about. But since I don't have this camera, I miss them so much. Even I do have another camera, but this one is the most camera that I've been using. It's because they're kind of small, it fit in my pockets, my purse. It's really easy to carry. The DSL camera is too big, too heavy for me to carry around. This is my this is my first camera, my first camera since I moved in US. You know, it's I think it's about 7-8 years ago. It's what first one, and still good condition. I love this one, but and now I've been using this most time. It's also because of 4K. And also when I received the camera, and the box is look the same. I'm like, oh no, don't tell me that they sent me the wrong color. No, actually they have on the side that say, it's on the bottom one that say black. This is the first box that I got. That's the black one, and the white color on top. They do say color on the side. Is a little bit freaked me out at the first, you know, because I don't want to wait anymore. I've been like miss them a lot. And that's it, my video for today. And also I forgot show you guys about the buttons. Everything is exactly the same. It's the button, the screen. It's just a different color. You will get batteries, what else, wind protection, the charger. That's it. Thank you for stop by watching my video, and I see you next video. You guys have a lovely day. Bye.